All right, so for this lesson, we're looking at values versus place value. So first off, we should know our place value, right? Our place value have our ones, we have our tens, we have hundreds, we have thousands, we have 10,000s, right? And then our 100,000s. So we should know if I say 5,169, what place is this one in? We should know the one is in our hundreds place, right? Or if I say 5,169, what places the 5 in, you should look and say, oh, that's my thousand spot. So this is very important, making sure you know your place value, okay? Now, we're looking at our value. How much is stuff worth, right? So how much is everything worth? So if I'm looking and seeing I have 16,246, how much is this 2 worth? We're not going to say it's worth 2. We're going to say it's in the hundreds place, but how much is it worth, like the value of it? That value is 200, all right? And all you got to do really is bring your 2 down and zeros are at the end to see your value is 200. Or if I say, what is the value of this 6? I'm going to bring my 6 down and everything else becomes zeros that are behind it. And this is worth 6,000. Or if I say, what is the value of this 6? You can say, oh, that's just worth $6. There's 6 ones. Let's look at another number. So if I was saying 58,264, now I want to know the value of this 5. I know there's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. It's in my 10,000s place, and there's 5 of them. So it's 5 10,000s, or we can just say that 5 and everything else becomes zeros. It's 50,000. It's worth 50,000. And we can look here and say 5 times 10,000 is 50,000. So that is true. So that's your value. Value is how much something is worth.